In this quick video guide, I want to show you this really interesting website, which is called the Public Domain Review. So if you want to search it in Google, you can just type Public Domain Review, and here you have the results here. So I will show you quickly what it's about, but basically it's a website that is going to give you a lot of public domain content, which means that it's totally free, it's totally usable even commercially, because this type of content doesn't have the copyright anymore. So you will find all the information, of course, inside, but let's go through the website pretty quick. So this is the home page right here, and you can see that everything that it's inside here, it's totally public domain and free. So you can just scroll down on the first page and open up a particular um, project here, and you can see these are lithographs from a particular author, and you can just right click and save the image. That's all you need to do if you want to use images. You can just use this as an inspiration if you are creative or a graphic designer or a web designer, or even if you need to create environments for a video game or character artist. You can really use this website for many reasons. So you can see here you have similar graphics, and usually you have the information right here. So the actual source where these are can be visible and downloadable to your machine in higher resolutions. You can see here you can download it by right clicking on the image as we just did, or by going into the source for higher resolution versions. So you have these choices. And you can see here you will find essays that you can again download and read and use. You can find prints, which again I find this really interesting to study and to take as an inspiration. Here, for example, if I want to create a 3D model of a sea monster or something like that. And please check also our other video guides and video courses in 3D modeling, graphic design, and many more topics that we have in our channel. And also subscribe and support us by joining. And you can see here, these are the collections. So basically you have images, you have books, you also have film and audio. So you have video and audio files. This one here, for example, is from George Romero. It's a video, but you also have some really interesting videos from the past, from many different, let's say, ages. You can see this is a George Méliès video that you can use, for example, if you need to do a presentation, or if you just need to do a lesson on George Méliès. You can use this. You can press play. You have all the different buttons here, just like the YouTube player. You can share. You can also go here to the source by clicking to this icon. And if you scroll down again, you have the download. This format here is OGG. Sometimes you find MP4 or other, but you can directly go to the source again, which is in this case the Internet Archive George Méliès collection, and you can go there and watch it or download it or do whatever you want with it. It's not covered by any copyright. And this is the Internet Archive, which is another website where you can get, let me show you here, the George Romero file. If you scroll down, you can see here you have MP4, and again, the source to the original, which could be with higher resolution again. So this is what this public domain review is about. It's about finding a lot of different pictures and graphics coming from all over the world that could inspire you to create your own project, or you can just take it and reuse it in whatever is your project or exam or anything that you need to do. So if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel again, join to support us, and you can write your comments in the uh, comments below, or you can check also in the description the link to join in the channel and support us. You can write your suggestions, your questions, and this will be all. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.